Mampo monitor show no ever 1HD TV and now some keto akwati chairman eno ayo said yes here but chairman we Arsenal Jesse na Adidas we say Arsenal there Jesse Arsenal Jesse don't team the kwasori nyina o tire chacha kwasori unya party go to Michelle Adidas obi hade oh yeah no
in fact we ankasa me here the full set etimi here channel any top no any track down no any you know slide me go no it is some tuga as answer Tony Coach Freddy munyina mun kan bom te we beto che na we ato esoro no na we ato slide no we ato here
limited edition
the answer bom na we one Sunday bi
what's a back
many of him be free da kwa na bia ye go be ka credit go be bi dia obi no your boy Arsenal says me nyanso Arsenal so
team qualify for Champions League quarter final oh yeah Arsenal dey mo game
they say Champions League
season kra me who say season ya ko half near the Jersey Fufraba Arsenal
say yeah stylish club yeah team no yeah was style no say wow we photo shoot Arsenal more dead hey team dey come on say wow the channel cry no be able to about Champions League be a common film omo mo Ronaldo grey yom na ye di Bukayo Saka that's okay Etiano no Arsenal once again
PSG Ultras no koye no on say enra Barca for ko enyino PSG supporter bia men o team no Omada
picture ready come on
Omada homachin 4 am and omode Fireflies ni boy on the team ne buy no Barca for you omu bi enti 4 am ahomachin yo and omu so call Barca team hotel ho nti eni me kwa say Messi moda mun sorry match
it has no impact so we about 4 am Emma Messi mobo na say
the impact is that Oma they needed rest.
It's Messi on to mobile. That be in your mobile or now how make us a Messi no crowd sorry dada. Only Piqué no man sorry dada. Inti bude oko to 2 Fireflies in the crackers na Messi about you environment me and
Barca for oko to 2 be cry say for 1.
Oh how so the way the Omaya so me share down who having the effect on the team. So how Messi will play and he will play well. Inti so we be now the amount Mranten say Di Maria ba Di Maria unfortunately I'm say
name more skin
available yes inti
COVID
mo inti omo pa say Barca nya ni good day no so Barca nya ni good of course score line no nya ni there 4-1 aggregate no monumental inti ma second leg near din kakra
anopedu obu Barca for abem ya Rivaldo say Barca team no players na nkasa guso mzo betimi ache for goals a ombeka se dey
ade ombesa for goals a PSG
wan hu say mo free El Prat airport no eniji a Messi mo e di free no
eju wo gidi ese Barca be call
bibia betimi possible
bibia dey possible say tie nyina go obeta president but they say no ya hwehwen se ne nie hwe onimu wa oh dey bichire what is it possibility no possibility dey bibia possible 70 ebia menyes kagrache Bill-Gates possible but emuwa Barcelona to beat PSG Barcelona way Barcelona ba kono na o Neymar ne Suarez mu ne ho for no way mo Brentford mo Brentford ma do break
my friend remontada so what is that term remontada the comeback hey the comeback over my Barca for hope and no pay Barca for no say obi jaja na Cristiano man hope no say gidi ni Spain no more be Melegaro e become Melegaro
na
say anwanwadie betumi esi anwanwadie
anwanwadie betumi esi ebi ara hope na we no enya 8 because boy no money PSG boy no oh David are PSG na yi mobi na Mbappe me bo what be talking asam no
so in the last 3 games Barca omo 3 back Nti na so besa bo three back. Aye. Three back ni don be biem na.
Asembesi ni bia.
Go Di Maria say be kan.
Yeah, Di Maria be kan.
Can no mboko pa.
And Di Maria was amo.
Di Maria.
And as this play right your first.
Miligaro.
Bibi besi abba.
Miligaro.
Because Bibi
big miracle.
Oh, Bibi besi. Bibi besi. Bibi di besi. Christian. So Bibi besi. Oh,
say the word of possibility be are possible.
Oh, be are possible. Asem first mbo basa mbo ba mo possible. Because mudi atima mezi bo be dey say what is possible?
And I'm say
they say that very possible now, but doesn't be possible.
In we are see you never say never. And I'm a boy. And to say boy we there. Who be some yankasa my own genuine idea. I'm sure say and never to say body there. Chairman, the tie is already decided. Liverpool kwawe ko share Leipzig 2-0. Barca tenefie ma PSG chen 4-1. Tene games na nkasa there, I'm sure say per the first leg results ntino the time is already decided. But chairman, the word of possibilities. Possible say Barca beat me as a 4-0 now. Is it possible? Yes. Can it happen? So the word of possibility. But
possible also two
possible say PSG beat me as a 5. He beat me as a 4. We are talking about possibilities and they can beat me
especially in the sense that Barca be paying against the same opposition.
Yeah,
just that different players.
But extremely difficult. Extremely difficult. Yeah, but Bibi beat me. But Juventus they are no more than so there.
Let's say Juve, what is wrong? Because Juve is a social ball now. They lack bite. I say, I don't know. Juve are ordinary. They just pass the ball here.
Chairman, and Sane Beko Juve so the importance of their away goal. Because you know your ball 90 minutes we now you Juve ni Porto. Ni asambo extra time 30. Na Porto for a goal. You see away goal. No qualified.
Mekai minim ahana ga Mekai obi so okay a you off that them.
Yes.
Christian Mekai be say ade na UEFA any football generally say if a bear.
Yeah.
Omonye na say you bought maybe am get 2-1. Aye 90 minutes no. After the whole first and leg no you chegu.
Yes.
Now the next 30 no who wins qualifies.
Absolutely.
But mun link you anyway now.
Again. Players me no help go king. Baako de wa mo extra
time. Yeah.
No be 90 minutes no ntimi an go. No akonya an extra time. The extra time no as go. No ba go king. Is it fair?
You know see another point.
Fair pa.
Because when you extra 30 minutes to
for
play.
For instance at the World Cup. Now Abia David Villa time at Spain for the World Cup in 2010. All said goals are shedding in within 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Now David Villa has 5 goals. Then there's another player or no the team enya dientino one team finishing the games in 90 minutes. Now if you do quarter final, semi finals no we hear additional 30 minutes. Now sa player no call additional 30 minutes e ko she goal la. Chama me sure say sa goal no coefficient. Any goal be share within 90 minutes no should not be the same. Should never be the same. If the player be nya additional 30 extra goals in 30 minutes now. Menya sure say you go king. Esino obi a o share ni goals ni nyina within the 90 minutes. Me sure say if a must begin to sit and think about this.
Of course,
it's not too fair.
Away goal rule na Nigeria we bar football but after 90 minutes ni there and extra time no.
Extra time there I think we have to put it on paper and send to IFAB. Yeah. If they will consider it in one of their Also the good thing about IFAB they say send you any suggestion.
Yeah.
They sit down think about it. No much omo na say feasible omo na say feasible be year film.
Yeah.
Now omo na say feasible kwa they will pilot it. Oba kai na maybe omo start here omo kai pa Japan. Omo experimenting kicking instead of throwing. So oba kai.
Yeah.
Kicking no so no. Na there was no offside inti. So nya kicking ni bia that can ordinarily get through no.
Yeah.
Na anybody nya go penalty box no. Yes. Any who former coach ne ten no go jagana goalkeeper anim no eti ebia when so they will try no matter try no ebia any of the youth tournaments how they are normally try some of these things eti omo pilot no ho na ebia anase man Champions League they can pilot it there na say because how Juventus were eliminated is sad. I mean, their way go rule. But Juve so almost sad.
Juve. My second question here. Juve, Sergio Oliveira free kick no. Who's an saying free kick but na player be ako das here.
Yes.
I don't know where normal, dia. I don't know why Juventus did not take that option.
I'm saying, say, technique. First of all, wall no were bad because one come off and 50 grand Quebec.
Yes,
because those are moving, no money entertain, but normally, wall year now be das, you know. Man, yes, I mean solid.
Yeah.
Hoping that a coin now says will be down. But when you almost go be at the time, first time for Ronaldo and I
Juventus now Kaimi Juventus midfielders pa Takinadi, Claudio Marchisio, Nedved, Cambronesi, no Edgar Davids. Oh, Emerson Mokra the ball Kakrama who's on Juventus or midfield, but Henrano Atomelo. All of a sudden the referee ball Ramsey cried here. Ramsey.
No mo so go mo to am no azumato. No me Ramsey here then. As a Juventus them say Agnelli for no music and some say ball madam.
It's bad.
Because some of the players on to no dream one say Ramsey no be there or Juventus.
It's bad. Juventus midfield need there. Oh, compare Zidane, Mokra, Chire Mokra no. Hey, na Antonio Conte Mokra time. And Sana Obenya Sam midfield Nejinam. Andre Rabiot. Such an unserious player. Oh, in Radia, I was very, very disappointed. But well, that's life. We'll see what happens. Christian. We are sure, sir.
Now the point, now a Porto any record. I was thinking. And of course, Andrew Pelus who wants him.
Absolutely.
I mean, clearly, technically, he's not ready.
But I think from that score, I'll give the credit to Sergio Conceição, the head coach for FC Porto. Omu defended with 6, and Omu giant 10-1. Emma 1 Guadrado. The style of Juventus was so predictable. And it's your Luis Diaz, number 7 Bibem, or be high dream pa, or never mark 1 Guadrado because now. Ball now give it to Guadrado to cross
the ball.
It was as simple as that. Unfortunately, Ronaldo no was on no box no baby. Into Federico Chiesa and the chef the second goal through the head and a second ball Ronaldo control the man and no place ball Alvaro Morata so inconsistent. And that Morata best or ball no or world best at that Bejiaguno. Wow, but no, so I mean, I think yes, Juventus supporters near FC Porto no many say Porto they are manageable because Omuankasa Liga no so no krano and more demon shut down ko year because and yet the FC Porto and Jose Mourinho FC Porto, but I think they still have the character of a typical Portuguese football club or more typical English football. But the case for Juventus, and that's why it's sad because since I'll check it, Serie A table now, Juve for Inter Milan by 10 points. Fortunately, they are playing in the Coppa del Rey, Coppa Italia final against Atalanta. They won the Super Cup. That's the Coppa, the Super Italia, the Coppa Italia, the Super Cup basically for Juventus.
Super Coppa Italia.
Yes, Super Coppa Italia. But I'm sure, sir, Ronaldo called Juventus about Champions League, and very disappointing. And I was not too pleased with Ronaldo's performance. I mean, Tia says on person be box nimu no nam side to side. Na omo e boss abo no.
Ronaldo called Juventus, the purpose for which he entered Juventus for the buy, I think it has been a failure.
Yes, in the sense, I'm afraid be support. I know been an air to Messi or Barcelona. All of a sudden, Pedri, no money, all of those.
The needed
support. I was maybe born as a Madridista. If it was Modric, was Toni Kroos. Boys be Ronaldo, Bobo, Benzema, Marcelo.
So Obi, it come back to the point that Ronaldo and Real Madrid relationship, it was kind of mutual relationship.
They're beautiful marriage.
Yeah.
I mean,
each one benefit from each other.
Of course, I mean that's
now marriage, the two parties are suffering. Ronaldo, in as much as saying individual qualities, needed Real Madrid to survive. Real Madrid, despite the most status no Bibiano, also needed Cristiano Ronaldo. But they have me on Juventus and they say, Obiedi Kaka, Omaji Serie A no for the past 9 years. Chairman, one with team Bia over Europe, the top 4 leagues. Me the French league the top 4. Our team be so dominant domestically. Our for Champions League ama. Meaning Ebia will be better me hubia.
I think that is one of the things Manny Bobby will hold you against Juventus. I mean Juventus, when even look at the Serie A in itself now, Italy, AC Milan in their dominant days, they won the Champions League more than once.
Yeah. Inter Milan
in their dominant days, almost winning Champions League. Only Juventus, it looks like they would dominate, but always fail to glitter. Yeah. They always flatter to deceive.
Until me sure say, trans year or Mancasa analysis, 4 years as Ronaldo ever Juventus, no more Champions League finals twice. 4 years as Ronaldo ever, now more Champions League twice. Now they decided, say, let's go for Mr. Champions League. Ronaldo ever Juventus, no Champions League 5. 2018, 2014, 16, 17, 18. Champions League, Maku enum nana Ronaldo aji. Onye player no aji Champions League ekewu. Champions League all-time top scorer, 134 goals na Ronaldo ashe. But chairman, Ronaldo buy no. Onum say Ronaldo buy no. Juventus and go beyond quarterfinals. Without Ronaldo, they were playing in the finals, in the semi-final. Now Ronaldo comes. Since Ronaldo buy no, Juventus go beyond the quarterfinal. And
I've always felt that is a honor. The Biamaye, he said, it's just like saying that maybe Samuel Champon. Yes, our argument we because now about Guardiola say you take over a team that has won the Champions League, you should be able to win. So when team and you feel it's not always like that. The Champions League. Your quality can take you probably to the quarterfinal, and I say we are the 1/16th. But it takes more than individual quality now to win it.
You have narrowed the argument to my next point.
Exactly.
Teams are Juventus free mono, and my area.
Okay.
Teams are Juventus free mono, and my area. Last season, Lyon free.
Yeah.
Round of 16. Among no quarterfinal Lyon. 2018-2019 onum say 2018-2019 na omwakwa away ama Atletico Madrid 2-0 they came and overturned the results. Our next game was against Ajax, they lost.
Yeah.
Omwakwa away ko 1-1 ebetina fie ama Ajax be show 2-1 efie. Now for the third time our next team FC Porto. Don't get mistake, many mistake. And just said they will be kind, no. And yeah, FC Porto of the old days. We are talking about FC Porto, chairman. Check the Portuguese league. And then you can say, Oko Portugal league no more. I'm about 24 matches. FC Porto, 10 points behind Sporting Lisbon. I'm toss me so FC Porto there can say no crano. And yeah, FC Porto Biana, a shot I have strong sir. They are now third on the Portuguese league. I'm 10 points behind Sporting Lisbon. And to make matters worse, such a team airbo and Juventus airbo almost 1 hour with numerical advantage. Chairman, how do you explain this?
I think the midfield was basically slow. Osha Senia Ramsey, Andre Rabiot, no more Bobo now. Transition from midfield to attack, now a problem. And I on hindsight, nature so I have born every year. Oh, can't want some into one quenya, so be can't want some. I'm sure, sir, Pello Nankasa your mistakes, Kakra. Why do you bench Matthias De Ligt? Why do you bench Winston McCain? No about Demiral. Look, Demiral was bound to make mistakes. Now watch it here from the first leg to the second leg. First leg, Betancourt your mistake. Emma first go by. Second leg, Demiral a penalty. Emma omu enya goal. Second leg, free kick, defending wall. Ronaldo, Morata, Rabiot. Omuni ejina ho and a second goal. It was a second goal for Porto Ebaye. First leg, omu concede early goals in the first and second halves. And seriously, this season, Juventus for character be said the BI shot first go normal betiti. The BI shot first go normal betiti. And so against a 10-man team, our Maya compact or more typical Atletico Madrid football. You have to be fast in the movement. Born at Melo to make ball no attend. No aside tiny bio, no aside tiny. Now me tia say the entire Barca for ton. No number Barca for ton.
But you also see from the team, say. I don't know, Sebia Muhu said it. Also, look at teams that do well in the Champions League. Oh, they end up the two teams on the pitch. Juve, on the other hand, and FC Porto. You could see the Porto team were willing to fight.
Absolutely.
Champions League. You could see it collectively.
Champions League.
Look at the demeanor of their coach. Yeah. They were willing to fight, soldier on.
Yeah,
and look at Juve. They didn't look like they needed it that bad.
Moreover, so no, Medidi red card, a very silly red card.
Yeah,
changes be Jesus Corona.
Nasakwano. Oyomo kia you know. Because
Onibobo
Corona no ground.
Yes, Jesus Corona. Omane Kobo, the left wing back. And Oma Otavio, a ball right wing back. Later on, Ode Malang Sa, Chelsea 4 boy, no. On the club, a ball short to be Emma goalkeeper Washer says in Sevilla, Malang Sa Bem, or the in fact check it, Porto Fuechiro, no. Sanusi, Pepe, Mbamba, and a branch friend or Manafa, and or the David Luiz, no, Ebe Jina, Sanusi Nanim. Later on, Oyi Matteo Orebe, and or the Liverpool Gronich, Ebe Jina central midfield, and in the 105th minute, Oyi Merega film, no, the Tony Martinez, like for like, and Oyi Jesus Corona film, and or the centre back, Diego Liete Ebem, and Oyi Sergio Oliveira, no share the winning goal, no, and or the Mamadou Lyon Ebem, honestly a defensive midfielder. Game management from FC Porto was simply spot on. And Omache said clearly the transition of more expected from Andre Pello, and truth be told, Andre Pello, Frank Lampard, no line be born no in Bopa, but coach, you know, Akakra, because Zidane, Pep, Diego Simeone, they're in a different class. Me cry and no pay me dream one I'm so. So Juventus for her na Adiana Enfa. Omunko Liverpool, Omunko fa Jurgen Klopp. Because of course Klopp extending the contract until 2024. That was last year. But I think Klopp the be from Kumbe Bre Juventus. Andre Pello ni there from day one till date. Me who the tactics be.
I'm saying on target. So I'm narrow. Do ones are no many bring Guardiola so because they felt that Guardiola could bring something. Maybe a heading or I would place the move. But only some of the Akopino, only the Kenyan, you know what? Is
yeah.
Oh, Ogofanos on some thing. It's maybe also come here. Klopp be.
Yeah.
Or do you know who Treska Crabatiana?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm on share. Maybe Simeone be. Oh, yeah. I'm on share that those kind of coaches.
I did my question. Because I say
Juve, I let him go for that. And then so
Juventus anytime on be lose first leg biano. On team overturning. Now me check it. The last 6 years are Oman lose first leg knockout tie biano. Oman lose 5. The only exception
okay.
5-6 years you know. Say Juve echo that mental toughness. Say okay, football is played in 90 minutes. We have lost the first 90 minutes. We can use the next 90 minutes to make a statement. But Juventus corners will lose first leg ni we are. The second leg results always Juventus ain't me overturning. It does not matter the opposition. Sometimes the opposition can be a very small team. You expect Juventus to say, if it's a Juventus team quite away, no can lose 2-0 to Ayasa. You expect them to have the pedigree to overturn the results.
Of course, I mean, and especially a team. It's not just about the name Juventus. A team that has Cristiano Ronaldo.
Of course.
I mean, you and my PSG share if you have Lionel Messi on the pitch. Now Mbappe on their side. I mean, Lionel Messi is ahead of Mbappe. You want to see the class of Messi being, exhibited.
Yeah.
But Salah, Ronaldo TV, Messi is better than you.
Pepe ne kwa nanim.
38-year-old. Pepe 38.
Stage ben.
Or come back to the Chrome soccer or retire.
Yes.
And now or the team, Juventus.
Yes.
And then last ball bicycle kicking over.
Yes, now make Osa Claire, Federico Chiesa, of course.
Yeah.
Juventus here disappointing by Enfa credit to Massa young chap no. That 22-year-old Federico, former captain for Fiorentina, born in Bobo, boy no there. Yeah, we say Juventus won Kwalabi, Kolosevsky, Winston McCain,
McCain, another very good
player. It's that M1 say one man.
This is the clearance from saw her live on Facebook. Pepe clearance because born na atrana we and the case and Edward.
Case and go chairman. Case and run there was all hat trick, but Pepe 38.
Yes.
So and run it was Joko ni Rio
Ferdinand. Yeah. No me guy ni can.
Yes. Almost say na Bani say na Pepe to me ball till 38 years.
Yes.
Na duani die.
And then the lifestyle.
Pepe. Pepe aya die. Me hu na me aje. What a character. Chama, what a character. Arsenal for kra munya.
Oh, masa.
Na say Pepe oni boche David Luiz.
On Pepe no. Ahano. O say enye demanding sir. O say he's playing the league enye
he's playing the Champions League.
I understand, but the Champions League, about 1-2. About 1-2. But the EPL, there are about 8 games and the Champions League different beginning. What I say? About Man City, about Man U, about Tottenham, about Everton, about Liverpool.
Don't need to say Pepe ni boche David Luiz.
Oh,
mu defenders ni.
No, ni boche obia masa. Oni oya de. Boni mo chobi.
Robot ni boche no.
Robot
ni boche Pepe.
As I say the who the other. And mu defenders oya de.
Don't mean to Ramos. Rafael Varane the man call retirement. Wow.
Bye.
Okay. You're
good. Some of us, the current generation there, I think say I privilege to watch Ronaldo and Messi, but gradually omo era ni baby.
Oh yeah.
Only say for the first time since 2003-2004 Champions League quarter final, we are not going to have the two of them.
Yeah.
Messi and likely say Messi be film.
I don't know film query.
Ronaldo's way film. It means that from 2003. The Champions League quarter final, a free quarter final, you see either of them. Only non team Kokrana Bakoko. But chairman, who are
the replacements here in Mbappe ni Haaland?
Haaland so chairman. Haaland in 14 Champions League matches. Abrante Ben was started about Champions League about only 14 Champions League matches. And in those 14 Champions League matches now, Abrante Abono was 20 goals. That is incredible. Now to make ne stars more incredible to listen, and it's for the past 4 Champions League games Abrante Abono 4 ebia 1 man goal krano na 2. I have never seen a player in the Champions League history say 4 consecutive games at twice mark 9 in the Champions League or mount 2 or more, and that's amazing.
Yeah.
Now the TNS since I started or born the Champions League debut in Mekaisa about the first game in the Champions League 19th September 2019. From 19th September 2019 Ebano Champions League Obienwa all goals Esna Branton. In fact player on twice was a goal to do Ben no Lewandowski. I was 19. Abrante Fred Haaland the same period started over Champions League or 20 top scorer in the same period.
No, me share no.
Wrap up.
Or attributes be or attributes be a man, and I think our mentality be say or person trap Pele ni Ronaldo no ni Messi or number of goals no more. Or second goal no share now from the penalty spot. Share Agrobia no ni Sevilla for goalkeeper Ekwakodi. Share ni celebration. He's a forceful guy. He has a character I've never seen in a striker coming up. Share say Okra Subambia, one should go crime zone to me now. He's so special, and who strikers. One of my favorites, Filippo Inzaghi, or Sasubano. But when Okra Bibia, just say. I just can't wait to see him in a Real Madrid jersey. Oh yes, at the end of the day, it's a Real Madrid.
But chairman, na figures no dey banedi. We hear a team that will give him titles to complement it. We are talking about a player season where you can say Abrante about 30 games in all competitions. So 30 games, he has 32 goals. but Dortmund are all born and now here.
But on the progression, swift power.
Smart in the
because
sense that
he didn't finish the season with you. Was it Salzburg, right?
yes. Man City but they wanted a place for development.
Yes.
And they develop a Bundesliga a free role. He's now a leader.
And it's been good for him.
Absolutely. He led by example. Very good goal. Marco Reus, Mahoud Dahoud, and all of those guys. They did a very, very good job. And I guess Sevilla himself lose first leg. It was technically impossible. So we were signally doing that. Even without the fans. Nwakonya go. Haaland is a special talent. Alongside Kylian Mbappe, a generational talent. And into the more GDS Ronko say, Emrantia mienu way na debi no, omo Cristiano Ronaldo, any Lionel Messi and such a super player.
But Dortmund going forward against Bayern Munich, you take a 2-goal lead, then you lose the game by 4-2. And right, you take another 2-goal lead, now give up by 2-2. Haaland no more said here. But I hope you made an interesting point. Say, omo defense need there going forward. If they do not address our defensive frailties, I think this might be their last stop. Even in the German Bundesliga this season, Bayern Munich defense in the new Bayern Munich in the German Bundesliga are considered 34 goals. Dortmund are considered 35.
Well, interesting, but with respect to Champions League discussion, of course, and there were 2 games coming up. Medical Liverpool playing against RB Leipzig, and Paris Saint-Germain playing against FC Barcelona. There was an outstanding game, and also Manchester City, Southampton there. Nani nyinano, the hon some bebremo but and your Ghana Premier League game, outstanding game between Asante Kotoko and Ken Faisal and also Basso. But Yanhui. Asante Kotoko striker Kwame Poku's move to USM Algiers is a done deal. Deal worth 600,000 euros for 3 years. 15,000 euros a month for Kwame Poku. A personal car. Contract was signed in the presence of his parents yesterday in Chifo Praso. The player is bound to leave the shores of Ghana after Ghana, South Africa, AFCON qualifier on the 22nd of March. Where you studying out of the Sport Obama and the 2 and the Facebook handle. Let's not forget IPMC, so baby, Obesia computer home sensem na SS ebia fe so na obewie na be so unya knowledge about IT say we are saying IT world na IT home sensem ni nyina no IPMC omo na we are saying nyina jomatum omo programs ahodo or Bachelor of Science in IT Computing from the University of Greenwich na enya sam ketwa obenya degree wa bra oye sa course we are now program we 2 years in no be pekwa de 1 year o de akọ UK ho na nyina so ho sensem visa na nyina easy kra e mo anything computer abiso sua bia no for ne chemu IPMC aseye IPMC so do ni chemu ahojo runabout ahonom na self banners side ho na ekọ ahojo runabout answer wo fro na o ye do runabout na no abesan kese bi won sani for so bo si atro IPMC kese so free runabout no so why so offer coin na cost and tax runabout no so no eko banner since and tax runabout no ana +2 ho no say o yes so san na so sabonkum so me so me de number 2 daje na from 0262 544 635 0262 544 632 sorry 0262 Mr. Yenye number be Mr. 0262 544 635 0262 544 635 IPMC and biaya okwa IT hunioma say usia software programming say computer hardware san you many nyina and now branch ba ko minim no ono atimi develop app microphone sade nyina IPMC and okoy for ni chiremu and so honum yanto aswe Asante Kotoko striker Kwampoku's move to USM Algiers is a done deal, according to my source. Deal worth 600,000 euros for 3 years, 15,000 euros a month for Kwampoku, a personal car, and the contract was signed yesterday in the presence of his parents at Chifo Praso. Player will fly to Algiers after Ghana, South Africa. AFCON qualify on the 22nd of March. I know the free Kwampoku Asweye and so eba. Obi, I know I can say deal there done. Machitin say oh. Not developing as a deal in your dance.
There was a done deal. Board Najiatum. There was almost time because Kane Dawson. Sadiq and 15,000 because 50,000 gross. Net no mutiti bibia minimum. It was a Algeria omotis net there.
There's some more taxes. Or maybe I know more VAT.
Omotiti bibia 10,000. Omotiti bibia 10,000. Of course, I can say is a car. There's proper accommodation. Now boy, now moon, and now car because board need your motor about.
Then the proper accommodation.
So not
together. Befitting accommodation.
So Ghana when you befitting accommodation. Ain't your kono konya befitting accommodation or ain't the deal is done. Board has accepted the Kane Dawson. Sign on fees, player status committee issues, Adako Jache, basically money to run the club. And it's unfortunate, say was a protocol. And me Saturday dear more exams, but I was saying because there was a meeting Dr. Safwa Jenka, I was a case where because omo in penny fortunas and almost say a Kane Dawson. And a board of directors no so no sikaye no na church mobiati as say they feel they are not for the Christmas and ultimately sika at the end of the day who said Dr. Che they need any chair you maybe up to Dr. Che level number to me the omudi na che into this can bad da ben and Isabeka nisika you know inti at the end of the day say akukọ bi de no hona kakra beba no mbeto no ma omo sorti omo ho fine. So that's the situation. It was confirmed yesterday and it's unfortunate, but supporters also mujitum na ye koye because sana situation na koye.
Okay about Kano. Kano hon sensem bia san ba wo. Kwame Conte. Reports via ne eba on all news portals. And they say Kodoko also money sikabi. Kodoko nyamfa mano to atro say or jinisika. You see Valasa Chipsa. I know and a representative Branty. Is it unrepresentative?
Yeah, Nana Sechere.
Yusuf. Hello, Yusuf.
Hello.
Boko there.
Nyamiadun Boko na say.
Nyamiadun me so no yepa. Say unrepresentative contribute.
I represent contribute.
Oh, okay. But I know say Emre Oba Kotokore the honor now representing no.
Yeah.
It's a deal ni bibia no. One now share eye bibia.
Yeah.
What is this thing we are hearing say? Oba Kotokono mo ye say monje signing on fee bia na obona onya contract no kwa na maji 30% of the contract sum. Na if you want to go to Monsankai and a wow mu Club Africa Consult so money another agency amu broker deal no mo entitled to 20% bia Monsankai chips awada ma cheche mu kakra na yenti asemiasi
that me do afi me say enye ne ko say kwame ba no wanji sign on fee or the sign on fee but negotiation na now, because of that, a free play, transfer fee via any negotiate for 20% future sell-on to the player. Into signing a war on contract, entitled to 20% of the transfer fee. Club contract, and so this I know there. So, yeah, now, Kunya, a bit me upon your Chiroko Kotoko. So, my mandate now, everything up to the grammar on the player. A commission of 20%. and I'm going to train in my mandate. And I do into final year.
As I say, Munina Musica.
Club concert today and fire community status committee. And fire community.
Baba Choko.
Oh, yeah, my reminder, I send this invoice, my reminder. Then said, I think, me, in your Quina Asia, board members, maybe, Emma issue by from Mokachoni. Nina Betre, from the sorting out. In fact, one of them, like I said, Pasibu, Obiayu Jumama, now, in South Africa, maybe we'll meet someone, maybe Nina Betre, or more, other sobo, tablet. 18 o'clock concert where they went for encore status committee and Concord.
So say, Kwame Conte, they know their status or their course urgency.
And from information, when I said December, you transfer Kwame from Esperance to Cleopatra or Egypt, at least. Before the control or bombing Cairo, Mamun said,
Pure FM.
Actually, I talk about me 20% fellow. Now, Omunya response be okay. Then say share with so Saka say Omasa the reminders call Omunya response be. And you can then be mean the assassin follow up the asa.
Oh, okay. Well, Chip said that's but then son of a Korean and say our players no so appeals committees are ruling in your favor. Say Kodokun Cheskabi Emma Omona Omacha because that's 7 days near the Yadema Kotoko.
Omunen Chevens and Meshia Kotoko management CEO Oma Yakasa na Shona wedding Yama attitude that's all Irish. The most important thing is Omadia to measure Umbetia with a payment plan.
Line no call off. Then trying to raise chips up back on the line. Now on to me, I think he was about done crowd, but and I'll Jaina young because I'm asking no one can. Also, she got to management the CEO himself. I'm almost discussing a payment plan. So payment plan, Bema, they are supposed to write to the FA. Na F no and okay and that's how they are 7 days F the man per the rules of our game. Say Kodokun after 7 games the game will be Bubiano. You may deduct the points. It's nice and Obu kind Kodokun Yeska.
Yeah. Scan
the captain teams organ
say PFAG in Saka. Letters from Maxwell Barco. So Maxwell Barco there Obiaya way 30,000 Ghana cedis signing on fee. Daniel Dakwa 40,000 on also actual comma PFAG. Collins Ameyao on also they call 10,000 Ghana cedis. In terms of players no mudi can call players no call ya many judgment against the club no. They see no all other players no so no tries and no crana ma content you see as at the end of the day okay a special happy birthday to the CEO first of all Nana Amposa.
Oh Nana
Amposa birthday. Now I was a ranty and winning now mo
yes. Oh happy birthday and I mean to me and I'm friend also maybe I'm a friend I wish you now some text
yeah
happy birthday
in the case of Kwame Bonsu say no omatro letters and Nana or much letters so still not got to correspond.
No, I know every no, I don't mean tell you. Answer there's an explanation because Obi over trouble to let him you got to reply.
Yes. Into when Kwame Bonsu letter no dey free land no of our lawyer or UK of a lawyer or UK and a lawyer no true kotoko no they send it via DHL and a bit drew kotoko but kotoko have not responded and then our force boy now on also a player status committee but Kwame Conte expressly stated in his contract so benya 20% in terms of sell on or transfer yes perfect word or transfer or 20% and the problem is that Nanaya will take you over. No, of course, as a CEO, you have to assess the assets and liabilities of the club. Rajay no call CEO no so and all of that. So you see, no liabilities not dorsal assets nisa until also moton obi say Kwame Poku and all call, but it's increasingly becoming clear. Say the lack of response because at the end of the day, Udiobi ka dialogue. Dialogue. Nipa no.
Friend on voucher, text no reply. Sending email or reply. Sending letter or reply.
Banisana. That is the only situation, and I feel a bit, sympathetic towards the management because look, in Nekot Koni Kim Faisal ne babebo. Kim Faisal for already predicted a 2-1 win. I will touch my neck. Was like attention in alcohol. Other issues I thought said they could have dealt with them some few weeks ago. No, at the challenges. But so,
me bisa same way. Kwame Bonsu continue kotoko etono edge skadi but just the kutiaka.
The balance.
Sikana kotoko GN. Onu say enyom ho ade awo. All parties involved were they settled, including the GF's 10%.
You have a 10% from Kutia. But Omontia idea.
Kwambus continue. Sa odi nedia ho. Nti onjina de.
And me got lawyer, foreign lawyers ne started bebem sa na ebe FIFA.
Yes.
Oh, FIFA sudi agwa o kojiska na interest no vanche wo.
That is why me advocated this management. Since Kanomakwa Jeffrey Kwame Puku ho de ba no should be better utilized. Yempese the entire more justify the sale of this player no. The best be this money bill.
Okay, now say you Fabio Gama from Brazil. say you Jindu Moviticha from Japan. Abegochri ay kasa edema Cape Coast Mysterious Biswa Dwarfs. Abeku minya na mpom ye de. Aha, it's ever here live on Facebook. Aha, eyina da hono Jindu. Na Abeku no kre say Jindu Moviticha out free Japan. They say or a dwarfs player.
Jindu Morishita.
Morishita.
Aha. O Ghana no kasa anapawi Obeko Ghana Football Association na amino kasa ko de o anesa obeye o the routine no so in documentation na a player we can kind of Africa but when you say mandatory say of course follow all the required measurements and even say once you are player no see kind Zambia the United Zambia Football Club say of course in we need that in apply for the sense of any purchase or medical in Abagana which are kind of much serious about for the first time that was really and you can say Jindo Morishita Bagana you know about keep
move I'm over.
I don't know of course.
Menim Abeku am say to come nti madam say from no say
okay
now they call the other side I just say pa me that's pa
okay
nam bizade move way
when you say your company I boy ma you Jindu on a boy in the acquisition of the Japanese player Sen Power Holdings wholly owned by Ghanaian power producer
Pure FM 95.7
Jindu of course a partner with companies be so Japan Sumitomo Corporation among a leading Japanese Fortune 500 global investing and business investment companies maybe among officially and second Jindu a fine player you would say with the kind of football we are playing about fitting to your style now with the goals outcomes to see what we are lacking more, let's say, finishing the best sharper. But all huge qualities, the boy, our boy kind of play or shooting from range. Of course, clinical, so 18-yard boxing more. The video, we are the best and no more also here.
We are sending.
The new category, the normal. It's also an actual promotion. So, and be a
FM 95.7
in the country. I don't know. As I said, Japanese is a kind of my and thanks to Send Power. This is special. For the first time, a Japanese Ghana Premier League, or Banaba boy. The minister will next question that now we. They've been a bit bright to see Ghana League. Of course, commercial wise, being to the odds never want to give us a wide scoop. The boy marketing wise, now attracting other investors also into the league, and of course, they see ignite passionately towards here. This is one of the special way to bring the Asian part of the world, and of course. Ghana together by the acquisition of Jindo. In the second, or train the Japanese and after the Asian part of the country, focused by Ghana League. So this is a way for us, December, to also bless the Ghana Premier League by strengthening links with other countries.
Wow. Well, I wish him all the best. And so you hope he's to settle very well. Now, what are they some value to our local league? And of course, obey to me about we saw drafts and so Abamo. I will create that CP. Thanks so much. Yeah, video. No, okay, Jindo. Monshano, we're live on Facebook. And also we'll share a 1HD TV. And also on Famous TV, whichever. Baby out Uyebiano, Jindu. I don't know. Jindu Nabobo National. Jindu Nabobo National. That is Jindu. Obi-Wan with Jindu.
Oh, yes.
I started Mr. Odebi. Started from. Start afresh. Jindu Morishita. Where University of Tomasi.
University.
University. Where you know University of Shukuba. Emrano University no. University of Shukuba will see a kind of no. Obian said Jindu. Jindu no. Yes. Aveyi. There is Jindu. Long range shots. I don't know what to say. Jindu that.
Oh well, yeah.
Only there second one. Jindu.
Striker.
Eti no mo passable ma Jindu. Have you job ball na channel? What chip ball for Jipanas? And the ball that net no. Where you Jindu Morichita.
Yeah. Am I Ghana League?
Jindu Morichita. Mo go win so.
Am I Ghana League near there?
Jindu na you know. That's a lot. Whoa.
Where university students or chairman?
I saw
your classmate phone on your mobile.
Obi bad.
My dream cause say, here university o make say Katanga versus Unity. And no what
Obi bad.
But Obama Ghana Premier League I'm just hopeful say. Fabio Gama no my no.
Hey, but tell you, Oshe goes from outside the 18.
I think Kakana Mariano or a player along the
off the ball, off the ball,
movements, no,
off the ball
movements. Na yeah was slow. Movie pa.
Let the Japan for Umpa Juniana. Almost university, no. Okay, park.
Obey national service, Anna. Because so was university student. I mean, that's
American. Okay. Ball Zambia was I know. I'm Fanaba. Right. Sure. What the difference will come on? But still, I ain't there. But
Jindu.
Jindu.
The Fabio Moye now.
Let's say we're live on Facebook and also we're live on 1HD TV. This is Jindu Morishita. Jindu Morishita. Or no, and ye videos. So say we're signing Eddie Ama Cape Coast. Mysterious, the Bushwa Dwarfs. In fact, Omachazo be mysterious and pa. Say, to get a Japanese player, I will see a camera, a Bushwa Dwarfs, no. And not just a Bushwa Dwarfs, so my homework. No. Okay.